Monica Choi dan rakan-rakan sekalian. Izinkan saya bertutur dalam bahasa Inggeris. Once again, a very good afternoon to Encik Izzat, Puan Monica and friends. Welcome to the Pelancaran Program Nilam for 2021. To kickstart the program, let's start by singing the national anthem and the state song. Now, I am glad to invite Rachel, Ziyi, and Wening from the Librarian Board's Nilam department to introduce the program.
One morning, Ziyi and Wening bump into each other at the school gate. They both dread going to school, so they wander around school before entering their classes.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
Another day of school.
Yeah. And another day of listening to boring lectures.
Oh my gosh, don't even get me started on the nagging. Especially when it comes to that Nilam thing or whatever it's called. Ay, why must we record books we've read? It's so troublesome.
If I recall, I think it's called the Nilam program.
It doesn't matter. My point is, I don't see the point of recording it at all. Literally, it's a waste of energy. I could be doing other things with the time used to record what I read in the Nilam book or online. What benefits could it possibly bring us? Save world hunger? Stop global warming?
If only. Can't believe they forced us to record something that's probably useless. Wait, do you see that book over there?
Huh? Where?
There!
Wening ignores Ziyi and runs towards the book and picks it up. Ziyi catches up and looks over Wening's shoulder as she quickly flips through the book. Without a warning, they will suck into the book and arrive at a strange location.
Ah!
Where are we?
As if I know.
What if no one finds us?
Suddenly, a gnome comes out.
Ah, who are you?
Fear not! I am but a humble gnome. I see you somehow made your way here. All right, we need to get you two back quick, or else you might be stuck here forever.
Stuck here forever.
Was I not clear enough? Anyway, when I set up the portal back, I shall entertain you by telling you the benefits of recording the books you've read.
Wait, how do you even...
Shush! Unless you want to be stuck here forever. So, first of all, NILAM stands for Nadi Ilmu Amalan Membaca. It's a reading program planned for all students in the school, and it's carried out in collaboration with the school library. Here are the following steps for recording your NILAM. First of all, you need to join the correct Google Classroom using the class code for your respective forms. Then, click on your class name. You will see a Google form for each month attached there. Next, click into the Google form and fill in all the information that is required. We can also get PAGSK marks, or in other words, COCU marks. So it does play a role in helping you get higher COCU marks. NILAM actually gives you bonus COCU marks depending on the number of books you've read. For 1 bintang, you will get 3 PAGSK marks. For 2 bintang, you will get 4 PAGSK marks, and so on. If you read less than 72 books throughout Form 1 to Form 5, you'll only receive 1 bintang. For 2 bintang, however, you must read more than 72 books. 3 bintang would need more than 114 books. 4 bintang requires more than 250 books. And lastly, 5 bintang would need at least 351 books.
Well, if that's the case, then I guess I'll just copy the synopsis at the back of the book. That way I won't even have to read the whole thing.
That's a very lousy idea, I might say.
What?
How can you not read the whole book? Don't you know there are many benefits to it?
Really? Tell me.
Well, reading helps improve the reader's comprehension skills, writing techniques, vocabulary, etc. At the same time, it can generate conversation topics and make the reader an interesting and creative person. The best thing about reading is the experiences gained from this activity can be useful in job hunting or even dating in the future. An example would be if you read science-related books and that particular job requires knowledge about science, you can utilize the book you have read. There are a few types of genres that can aid in expanding our knowledge. Such genres are adventure, science fiction, biography, and encyclopedia. Regarding dating, well, being well-read and able to discuss world issues will definitely make you more interesting in the eyes of the person you're trying to impress.
Maybe this Nilam thing is pretty cool after all. What materials are we allowed to record for Nilam though?
I'm so glad you asked. You could read fiction books, non-fiction books, flyers, leaflets, pamphlets, magazines, online stories, and so on. A few examples of fiction books are Harry Potter, which is a fantasy fiction book, The Fault in Our Stars, which is a romance book, 13 Reasons Why, which is a bit more realistic and leaning towards our everyday real life, as well as A Brave New World, which is a science fiction book. And a few examples of non-fiction books are biographies and encyclopedias.
I see. So maybe this Nilam stuff isn't so pointless after all.
It certainly isn't. Ah, the portal is ready. Come on now, get in before it's too late.
Alright. 1,
2.
3.
After jumping into the portal, Ziyi and Wenning travel back to their original world.
Well, that was something.
Oh shoot, school is starting. I was hoping I could start reading books immediately.
Ziyi and Wenning rushed to class before it was too late. After this particular adventure, they have learned that Nilam is very beneficial to many aspects of their lives. Whoa! Wait a minute. You think we're done here? No way. Come join our quiz at Quizzes on 27th of March. You get Cocoa marks if you participate. The top 10 students with the highest scores will even win prizes. Be sure to join the quiz with your full name and class so we can identify the winners. We'll see you there. Thank you for your time.
Thank you to Rachel and her team for the introduction. Moving on, we would like to invite the principal of SMK Damansara Jaya, Encik Izzat, to say a few words and thereafter officiate the program.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much to Evan Weren as the master of ceremony for today's event. Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. I wish to all my teachers, teacher advisor, Miss Monica Choi, and all the students, my beloved students. First and foremost, let us show our gratitude to our Creator by saying Alhamdulillah, all praise to the one and only God for giving us the opportunity to gather here in this beautiful afternoon, even though it's online, with this special occasion of Nilam program. Okay, I will continue my speech in Malay because it's special of launching of Nilam. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera kepada semua guru dan juga pelajar yang terlibat dalam program Nilam dan sebagai pustakawan di SMK Damansara Jaya. Terlebih dahulu saya merakamkan rasa kesyukuran kehadiran Allah SWT kerana atas izinnya juga kita warga sekolah SMK DJ dapat bersama menyempurnakan majlis pelancaran Nilam 2021 walaupun kita menerima ancaman pandemik COVID-19. Walau bagaimanapun, kerja harus diteruskan. Jadi, program ini mempunyai banyak objektif secara umum iaitu menjadikan pelajar banyak membaca dan menggalakkan sekolah terus menjana idea kreatif dan inovatif bagi menyemai tabiat membaca. Untuk pengawalan semua, hasrat, niat serta matlamat program Nilam begitu murni sekali iaitu untuk memudayakan amalan membaca di kalangan pelajar sekolah yang seterusnya akan melahirkan pelajar-pelajar yang suka membaca dan cintakan ilmu. Okay, hopefully you read not just for your exam but for your knowledge. Okay. Okay. Jadi suka membaca adalah satu amalan mulia yang seharusnya dijadikan budaya seumur hidup. Okay. Membaca adalah langkah untuk menerima ilmu, memperkayakan maklumat, ilmu pengetahuan dan kebolehan dalam pelbagai bidang. So from the play just now, we can show that there is a lot of genre you can read and you can add to your knowledge, okay? Your knowledge by reading. And nowadays, you don't need to borrow books from the library, but you can access at your fingertips, using the e-library, okay? Dan dalam pandemik ini, semasa PKP, walaupun kita tidak dapat menjalankan apa-apa aktiviti di luar, Masa inilah diluangkan untuk membaca dan menambahkan ilmu pengetahuan. Jadi rakyat yang suka membaca ya merupakan aset kerajaan yang tidak terhingga nilainya kerana kehidupan pada hari esok banyak bergantung pada apa yang kita pelajari pada hari ini. Justru itu saya sangat berharap pelajar-pelajar serta guru-guru SMK Damansara Jaya dapat menanam minat ya membaca dalam hati masing-masing, dan inilah satu amalan yang harus dipuji dalam usaha kita melahirkan modal insan cemerlang yang akan menjadi aset terpenting negara. Dan program Nilam menggalakkan pelajar membaca di mana jua walaupun selepas tamat waktu persekolahan. Walau bagaimanapun pada waktu sekarang kita belum lagi meluluskan untuk pelajar-pelajar berkumpul di dalam pusat sumber, tetapi kita akan beri kelonggaran apabila kita mendapat arahan daripada pejabat pendidikan daerah, petaling utama dan juga Jabatan Pendidikan Negeri Selangor sekiranya pelajar-pelajar ingin menggunakan pusat sumber untuk mengulang kaji ataupun meminjam buku-buku bahan bacaan. Jadi pelajar boleh membaca buku, majalah, artikel, ensiklopedia atau surat khabar sebelum mencatat maklumat pengarang, judul, bilangan, muka surat, penerbit, sinopsis dan peta minda ataupun peta fikiran. Dan saya juga ingin maklumkan bahawa ada setengah pelajar yang hanya membaca sekadar untuk peperiksaan. Jadi kita tidak mahu pelajar-pelajar ya di SMK Damansara Jaya tidak membaca buku-buku yang lain selain daripada buku teks untuk exam. Jadi kita galakkan untuk membaca sebagai budaya ataupun proses kelangsungan pembelajaran. Jadi kegagalan membudayakan amalan membaca inilah yang menyebabkan masyarakat dan negara kita akan terus ketinggalan dalam bidang-bidang yang diceburi. Dan saya harap semoga semua warga SMK Damansara Jaya terus mara ke hadapan serta berjiwa kental walaupun dalam cabaran ancaman pandemik COVID-19, dan kita dapat mentransformasikan pendidikan. Dan saya harap dan menyeru pada semua pelajar dan guru-guru yang berkunjung ke pusat sumber sekolah menggunakan kemudahan-kemudahan yang sedia ada, dan ada kelebihan di pusat sumber sana. Kita sudah melanggan iaitu e-library, mana dia secara elektronik bahan-bahan bacaan. Dengan ini saya dengan lafaz suci Bismillahirrahmanirrahim dengan sukacitanya dan dengan bangga merasmikan Majlis Pelancaran Nilam SMK Damansara Jaya pada tahun 2021. Sekian, terima kasih. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, Encik Izzat. If you aren't aware, our school has given all students access to an e-library. We have popular titles and also books in multiple languages such as Malay and Chinese. Here is just a sneak peek and a glimpse into a few of our newer editions with more to come soon. Thank you, Encik Izzat, for officiating the program today. It's pretty clear that reading brings everyone a myriad of benefits, which is not just limited to the expansion of knowledge. Hopefully, through this program, everyone here will be more inclined to pick up a book, especially during this lockdown period, where we may have time to spare. We can also use the time in between classes or while in transit when the lockdown is over to read. Thank you everyone for your attention throughout the launch, and happy holidays.